Up for sale is my 2011 Triumph Sprint GT 1050 with ABS. It has just under 30,000 miles on it. Comes with all service records, dyno tune, power commander tune, all serviced. Comes with an additional sprocket. Runs great. Fires up. Adult owned. Scorpion red power slip-on exhaust. The beautiful navy blue with a Corbin seat. All lights have been upgraded to the LEDs. Everything works as it should. The panners have the Triumph OEM bag inserts inside. As you can see, runs good, sounds good. Light shuts off once it goes down the road. Also comes with a tank bag and a real rear tail pack. SH-37. Tank bag does snap on. Fog lights. Have any questions, please hit me up. And also has the stock seat and stock windscreen. It is a a zero gravity windscreen currently on the motorcycle. Again, any questions, please feel free to hit me up. Again, 2011 Triumph Sprint GT 1050.